What if we dropped a human on Jupiter right now? Not in a spaceship, just dropped. The result? It's not just death. It's a journey through the most violent planet in our solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant so massive it could swallow over 1,300 Earths. But could a human survive on Jupiter? In this video, we're diving into the planet's horrifying storms, crushing gravity, toxic atmosphere, and exploring the burning question, is there any way humans could survive, even with future technology? Stick around, because the answer might not be what you expect. Imagine you're falling from space toward Jupiter. There's no solid ground, no place to land, just clouds, endless clouds. At first, you'd see something almost familiar, bands of white, orange, and red stretching across the planet like cosmic brushstrokes. You fall faster and faster, pulled by a gravity 2.5 times stronger than Earth's. Your bones begin to compress. Every breath you try to take feels like your lungs are being crushed. But it gets worse. Jupiter's upper atmosphere is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. No oxygen in sight. You'd suffocate in seconds, if the pressure doesn't kill you first. As you go deeper, pressure increases exponentially. After just 100 kilometers in, you'd be experiencing more than 10 times the pressure of Earth's surface. The deeper you go, the air becomes thicker, like diving into an invisible ocean. Your body wouldn't explode, it would be compressed into pulp. And let's not forget the lightning. Jupiter's storms make Earth's hurricanes look like gentle breezes. The Great Red Spot, for example, is a storm that's been raging for over 300 years. It's twice the size of Earth and contains winds over 600 kilometers per hour. Imagine being tossed around inside a storm so vast you'd circle the Earth twice before escaping it, if you could. Here's the thing, Jupiter doesn't have a traditional surface. The deeper you go, the more gas turns into liquid metallic hydrogen, a bizarre alien material that conducts electricity like metal but behaves like a liquid. Eventually, the pressure and temperature become so intense you'd hit this strange ocean, but you wouldn't survive long enough to float in it. Because before that, your body would never reach the core of Jupiter. Not even a spacecraft can. The deepest any probe has gone is NASA's Galileo, which fell into Jupiter in 1995. It transmitted data for 57 minutes before it was crushed by the atmosphere without ever hitting a surface. So if even our most advanced technology can't survive, how could a human ever stand a chance? But here's the real problem: radiation. Jupiter has the most intense magnetic field in the solar system. This traps deadly radiation belts so strong they would kill a human in minutes, even from hundreds of kilometers away. Even if you could hover in a shielded city, you'd be living inside a cosmic microwave. The only way to survive would be to stay deep underground, which is impossible because there's no ground. Unless we develop entirely new materials or colonize its moons like Europa or Ganymede, Jupiter remains uninhabitable. So, can humans survive on Jupiter? Not now. Not in the next 100 years. Its crushing gravity, suffocating atmosphere, endless storms, and lethal radiation make it the most hostile planet in our neighborhood. But if we dream bigger, sky cities, advanced shielding, and human evolution, maybe, one day, we'll hover above Jupiter's clouds, watching the storms rage below. Until then, it's the closest thing to a death planet we've ever known. What if gravity doubled overnight? Click the video on your screen to find out just how weird Earth would become.